Hello, Ramo Crypto Army. Welcome back to the channel. And today, I just want to touch a little bit on Terrareum, and I want to also give some more confidence out there into the Terrareum community. Okay, I know a lot of individuals out there are kind of worried about the big sell-offs. You guys know when I explain things to you, I always explain things with a big picture, so you have a better understanding than a lot of the investors out there, and you will not have to be worried about the sell-offs. Okay, but I just also, before I get into that, I made a video earlier about a token launch that's going to be taking place today. Now, it was supposed to take place at 2 p.m. earlier, but the time got pushed back. It will take place at 7:30 p.m. Okay, it will take place at 7:30 p.m. Eastern time. Okay, therefore I will post the token info around probably 5 p.m. Okay, and the individual should also use the research links provided, okay, to do their own research. So the launch will be at 7:30 p.m. and with those research links, that should give individuals more than enough time, okay, to do the research before 7:30 gets there. Okay, so we want to take a look at we're looking at Terareum. I want to talk to you guys about Terareum. Okay, now we're starting to see some consolidation. We're starting to see that consolidation kick in right now. Okay, now Bitmart did put up a good fight. I told you that Bitmart was going to put up a good fight. They did. Okay, but the correction was expected. We had to expect that. Okay, we still have the good thing is this: we still have a lot of those front end investors selling out there. All right, we already know that the back end Bitmart investors like that, or the exchange investors, will hold long. But right now we're dealing with that wave of front end investors. Okay, you know, that will, the thing is that the back end investors or the Bitmart investors will still keep the chart strong. Okay, now imagine the pre-sellers out there and the ground floor investors. Okay, those are the ones that started selling, okay, just before Terareum broke at zero. Now Terareum also pumped, like I said, they pumped 600%. All right, so you had to expect those ground floor investors to start selling off, and more starting to sell off now. Okay, when Terareum almost broke that zero, that was the 600% surge right there. Okay, now Terareum is also nearing the 8K holders. Now remember, after Terareum hits 10K holders, they're going to have a big burn coming. Okay, so we need probably roughly about 2,700 more holders, and we could see some fireworks over the weekend. Okay, now I believe that we can break 10K holders over the weekend. Okay, before the weekend is out. Now studies also show, and you guys know I always like breaking things down. Okay, studies also show, okay, that a great amount of trading is done across the weekend. Okay, as on weekdays, you know, more individuals are at work and stuff like that. And so what does the weekend mean? The weekend means that you'll have more individuals who will have time to go to their banks, for individuals that have to put money into credit unions and stuff like that. Because we also know that individuals that work, you know, 9 to 5s and they're getting off late, you know, they don't have time to run to the bank, as a lot of banks close around certain times. Okay, so we know that credit unions close early on the weekdays, but we also know that gives a lot of individuals time on the weekend to get their finances in order to do their investment activities. Okay, a lot of this stuff, now I look at a lot of this stuff, this is a lot of the boring work I look at, but a lot of this stuff actually plays, okay, a big part in trading activities. Okay, there was recently a situation where the SAITAMA community wanted the dev team to stall like the SATA Realty launch when it was supposed to launch, and people were in the comments saying, okay, I don't get off of work until such and such time, or what else were they saying? They were saying my bank closes at such and such time. I need to put money into, you know, my bank account. Okay, that's the same. That's what I'm talking about right there. That plays a big factor in trading activities, and I think the weekend should be a heavy trading. Should be some heavy trading for Terrareum. Okay. I believe we can actually pick up 3K holders this weekend. I believe that because you got to think about it. Terrarium was and still is bringing in a little bit over 1,000, a little bit over 1,000 holders. Okay, so we will keep an eye out on that 10K holder countdown. So yeah, you have the burn coming. You got the holders on the back end, which is those Bitmart holders. They're going to be holding strong. Okay, because the thing is this, they want to see some returns. Okay, they know they might not see what they want to see in returns right away. Okay, which is also more reason for them to hold. So listen, don't lose confidence. Okay, you see why I'm not stressed, because I look at the big picture. I look at a lot of things that's going on now and that can go on in the future. You gotta look at how things are calculated up. Okay, when you know what you're supposed to know, you do not stress. All right, so yeah, have confidence. And also anybody who's interested in that launch tonight, you can also get the Patreon links in the comments and the descriptions. Okay, so I will catch you guys on the Up and Up Outie.